At Dura Supreme Cabinetry, we take every precaution to ensure each piece arrives in the same pristine condition as when it left our hands. Following final inspection, each cabinet is precisely stretch-wrapped to add an extra layer of protection and secure all the doors and drawers. Next, the cabinet is placed onto a sturdy cardboard tray, while our state-of-the-art corner protectors are strategically placed at each corner and toe kick. Their unique design provides an additional layer of defense against the natural bumps and shifts of the shipping process. We then slip a custom-fitted carton over the cabinet, completely encasing it in a secure shell. Then, we carefully place additional corner protectors at the top for maximum structural reinforcement. Our team then seals the top and securely bonds the carton to the bottom tray, completing the cartoning process. This industry-leading process isn't just about shipping. It's also designed to prevent damage after they arrive at the job site. Our cartons are designed to open easily without a cutting tool, which help prevent potential nicks and scratches that can happen during installation. Learn more in our unboxing video or visit our cabinet installer guide online to learn more. Please note, a QR code sticker is located on each carton for easy access to this guide on the job site. The guide also offers a library of installation and adjustment videos, installation instruction manuals, and more to streamline the install process and ensure the cabinets are installed beautifully. From our factory to the final install, we ensure your project begins and ends with the quality and care it deserves.